As the sun rises over the city, it reveals the continued evolution of a vision unlike any other. Welcome back to the Grand Mirage, where every day brings us closer to realizing a legacy. In the past month, our dedicated team has transformed challenges into milestones. The foundation that promises security, the walls that will witness countless memories, all inching towards completion. Every brick laid, every beam positioned is a testament to our commitment to excellence. The Grand Mirage isn't just being constructed, it's being crafted with the promise of luxury living and timeless elegance. Imagine a home where every detail is designed with you in mind. From state-of-the-art amenities to breathtaking views, the Grand Mirage is where dreams converge with reality. As today's light fades, we're one step closer to welcoming you home. Stay tuned for the next chapter in the story of the Grand Mirage, where luxury is built and legacies begin.
Contact us today